Hey guys, so I wanted to come on real quick to give y'all just a quick little house tour of my family's new home. We've been in here almost a month now, and it's becoming our home. Before it was a house, now we're making it into a home. So I just want to show you what we've done so far. We still have a lot to do, and I definitely want to take y'all on the journey of turning our house into our home. I want to show you what I come up with as far as decorations and just everything. So I would love for you guys to come on this journey with me and my family. Maybe I can give us some tips and tricks and things, because we're new. I'm a new homeowner, so it's a lot that I don't know, and I'm still trying to figure out. So I'm about to take y'all real quick inside for a quick house tour. It is Halloween, so I got to do it kind of quick because it's getting kind of late, and I'm pretty sure those trick-or-treaters will be here any second now. So yeah, y'all come on in. Right when you come in my house, and if you look over to the side, you see a little cubby hole, and I love this little feature that they have. You can put your jackets and your shoes in here, and there's actually 2 of these cubby holes, which I love. I think my husband's about to go to the gym, and I love how they have let's see if I can find it, a little light up there, just adds a little something extra. Okay, now this is going to be the first room you will see. We turned this into kind of like a reading room. We were going to do it as a formal dining room, but we realized that we did not have a place to put our desk and computer, so we just turned it into a reading room. Absolutely love how it's coming along. I do have a few more things I need to get for this reading room, and I will definitely show y'all what I come up with when it's complete. I do want to get a rug for down here, but as you can see, we are potty training my new puppy, so yeah, we're not going to do a rug just quite yet. So if you come out of here, you are going to go into the living room. Okay, we have this fireplace, which I absolutely love, and I love the mirror up there. Our TV, we just got that mounted, so that's as much decoration for the Thanksgiving and the holidays as I'm going to do. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more for Christmas, but yeah. And so if you come over here, you're gonna run into the guest room, which it's not complete yet. Hopefully it'll be complete by Friday. Rooms ago just came to fix this, and I just got to clean this up, and I kind of want to make this like kind of hotel-y, like just really nice, and just a lovely place for my guests to stay. This will also be doubling as my my stepson's room whenever he's in town. He's out of state, so I definitely want to have this ready for him when he comes to stay. And we have a nice stand-up shower in here for my guests, and yeah, I really love this guest suite. Another feature I love about the guest suite is that if you come over here, they have easy access to let's see, the deck. So I'm going to show you guys this later, but that's a nice little feature for them to have if they want to just step outside in the morning. I'm going to try to get through this before I lose light. Here's my son. Over here is going to just be a storage closet. Right here we have just the guest bathroom. I haven't done too much of this yet. I think I want to add some pictures or whatnot. But yeah, and over here is going to be just our 2-car garage right here. Nothing to see really. So over here is going to be our eating area. this table, and I think I like that chandelier. I don't think I'm going to change it, but we'll see. And then we're going to come into our kitchen. I love this kitchen. We are going to change the black granite countertop in March. I think I want something a little bit lighter, just a little bit lighter. Maybe more of this type of finish. We were going to do the cabinets, but we really kind of like the cabinets. We're really falling in love with them, so those are going to stay. I love just the little details in the backsplash, just these little things. And yeah, I really just love all the little details of this house. They really took, the previous owners really did a good job at just, you know, adding the special touches to the house. One special touch I like is this chalkboard. I thought that was really cute, so definitely kept that. We have a gas stove, as you can see, and one of my favorite parts about this kitchen is this smart Samsung refrigerator. I absolutely love it. I mean, you can, let's see if I can figure it out. You can hit that to view inside the refrigerator. You can make a list of what you need, and it can go straight to your phone. So if you're like in the kitchen and you see that you run out of something, you can, you know, put it in the shopping list, and it will be sent to your phone. So we have a few pictures down here of the fam, and you really love this refrigerator. Who would have thought a smart refrigerator? Okay, and let's see, I'm showing you one of the last features of the downstairs, which I absolutely love. This is actually one of my favorite parts of the home, and it is going to be our screen in back porch. I just love coming out here after a long day and unwinding, and I love that we have a lake right behind our house. I do see people in their little canoes and things fishing in there, so I think my husband wants to do that one day. But there's a fan up here, so if it gets too hot, you can turn on the fan, and I just love coming out here with a cup of coffee or just to eat dinner or some wine or whatever. So this is one of my favorite parts. We also have our deck. This is my husband's favorite part. Actually, the backyard is going to be my husband's favorite part of the entire house. I believe in the beginning, about March or April, we're going to get it redone and hardscaped. I believe that's what it's called. So he has like a whole big old plan for this backyard, which is, it's a lot of backyards, so it's perfect for our puppies to run around in and just be free. So yeah, I will definitely keep y'all updated on our plans for the backyard. I know he just cannot wait to get it done. I am actually going to take y'all on upstairs to show you what the upstairs is looking like. So I absolutely love the high ceilings in this house. You can actually kind of just look down at the family, see what everybody's doing and getting into. I just really love kind of coming right here in the morning and just looking out, because it has these windows up top. And actually, when you're sitting down here on the couch, you can see the moon and the stars in the sky. So we love this feature, these windows. So I'm going to start off with my son's room. So right over here is going to be my 15-year-old son's room. Yeah, so he is always in this room, always. That's why we got him a day bed, because he just loves being in his room. He loves playing video games. He does this like all night. So this is his room. like I said, he's 15, so that's, you know, that's why that's there. But he keeps it pretty clean and straight. I actually really love this bed. This bed was from Rooms to Go, if you were wondering. If you're wondering about any of the furniture or anything you see in the house, just let me know down below and I will let y'all know. So this is his room. And right next to his room we have my other sons, my stepsons. They're twins. Like I said, my stepsons live out of town, so whenever they're here, this is their room. I definitely want to decorate it and kind of get it, you know, the things that they like in this room. Like I said, they're two twin boys. They're 9 years old, so I'm gonna have fun decorating this room. We have a full-size bunk bed and a futon on the bottom, and that's, like I said, a full-size bed on top, which is good because they're growing boys. So yeah, I just got to get them where they have a dresser. Probably going to get them a little bit more storage in here. Rooms to Go just came and left that, so that's what that is. And that's their closet. So yeah, cannot wait to get this room together. And I love those 3 little windows right there. They can kind of look out into the neighborhood when they're on that top bunk. So yes. And we're going to show you my other son's room. His name is Manuel. He's actually in the room right now, so don't mind him. But this is his room. He keeps it really clean. He's really, you know, into neatness, which I love. And he is 16 years old. He is really into tech, as y'all can tell, technology. So he has a lot going on right here, but you know, that's his thing. So I'm glad that he was able to kind of have the space to do what he wants to do. He just got out of school, so y'all know how teenagers are. They're tired. We get up really early in the morning. So yep, and this is his room. Also over here on this side of the house, we have the laundry room, which I am so happy that we have a laundry room and with a little sink. So if you know you have a stain on your shirt, I can like do pre-wash right there, and tons of space, cabinet space. They left lots of light bulbs, which I am so happy about. That was awesome. And yeah, so I love that I have a laundry room. This was really a plus when we were looking at you know, houses. We definitely wanted a laundry room. So, and right here we have my boys' bathroom. Not really sure how I was looking. I forgot to kind of check it, but they have his sinks. And yeah, so you know, just a plain teenage boys bathroom. Nothing really that serious. I think I might maybe add a picture right there one day. I don't know, but yeah, they keep it pretty clean. And right here we just have a linen closet, and so we are going to go to the master bedroom. And you guys, I did not check it to see what it looked like. My husband was just in here, but hopefully it's pretty neat. So yeah, this is our master bedroom. Gonna kind of try to get y'all like a little view of it. Does y'all's husband do this? Like this is just his life. That's his life. All right, so I am actually, this is another one of my projects. I don't really know where I want to go with this room. I know I want to bring in like a nice plant, and I don't know what else, some decor maybe to go up here. Yeah, I don't know. So Home Goods is about to be my best friend for a while, but I love our master bedroom. It's really big. Like my husband, so I like to chill in the bed and watch TV. My husband does not. If he's in the bed, he wants to be asleep. So we got him this couch over here so he can just, you know, sit and chill with me and not have to be in the bed, and we can, you know, watch movies or whatever. So yeah, that's for him. So if you go over here, we have our master closet, which it's another area that I have to kind of straighten out. So this is it. So this is my side. I still have to get my clothes hung up and situated. And this is his side. I want to get a shelving unit to go right here, maybe for our shoes or anything else. Just to have boxes to unpack. So this is, you know, the closets are always kind of my last thing to get organized, but it'll get there. And on the other side, we have another closet, and we just keep this for, I guess, extra storage. He has his suits and our well, we can't really see, but our coats and jackets and things are in here, and you know, it's just extra storage. Okay, and now this is our master bathroom, another favorite of mine. So we have a stand-up shower right here. His and hers sinks, and we have this amazing jacuzzi tub, which is life. We definitely had to get the TV mounted, so you know, you can just sit up in here and watch you some Netflix with some wine, girl, and just completely disconnect from the world. And I absolutely love it. It was a must. So I love this tub, and I love that we have the separate toilet in here, so you know, someone can be in here doing their thing, the door closed, and I can be in here doing my thing, or vice versa. So now I do want to change this mirror and get another mirror, because it's kind of like blah. So I am looking into that, but yeah, not sure when that'll be. And let me turn off that light. For the most part, that's about it. We have a beautiful neighborhood, and pretty happy with our neighbors. So, like I said, the high ceilings in here are life. I love the high ceilings. So we're just so happy to embark on this new journey of home ownership, and I just cannot wait to take you guys along with me. I definitely have some hauls coming up, and just some decor, and just, you know, doing everything we can do to make our house a home. And I hope y'all stick along with me. Definitely hit the bell down below so you'll be notified of any new videos I have. There'll definitely be a lot more home videos, clean with me's, and just lifestyle videos. So yeah. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all later.